jacket.
Oh, don't tell me.
True.
Get him, Elsa! Get him!
Coming out Friday?
Cameron loves kids. He's in seventh heaven right now. He's good with them too.
I see it.
Yeah. Oh, she loves Cameron to death. These two are buds, big time.
Got it there, buddy?
And we've got two more coming out. Little man on slide.
Look, Hannah, it's a little playhouse with a slide.
Just the right size. Get him, Elsa! Get him! Legs hurt.
We brought a few more toys in.
There you go.
Oh, they got me.
So I'm in seventh heaven now. That's it. I'm ready to go.
Marching band show in Michigan. Slide so it goes out in the grass. You guys have long kids.
You what?
Yeah, you guys are safe.
I got them both. They're mine.
Anything you want to play with, go ahead and grab it.
Now you can't go.
You go play on the slide, Hanny. I just moved it so you guys can go on the grass.
So no bonking the head on the concrete.
I have to move it onto the sidewalk so it doesn't kill the grass.
She says I'm in jail now.
You are? How'd you end up in jail? What'd you do?
She caught me.
Okay.
Wow, we're gonna have to get a flag.
We got a jailbreak. We got a
Whoa,
jailbreak.
Hanny, watch out!
Woo!
You get going fast!
Boom. Back to jail, Cameron. Back to jail.
What's the matter?
Oh,
Did it scare you?
oh, goodness sake. Cameron, you scared her.
I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
Yep, and then the trees will get you.
You want to go roll down the hill? I'll go roll down the hill with you.
I got you.
You want to go with us?